Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 41. My name is Walter. We are still working with fraction word problems. 4 over 5 of a certain number is 20. What is 2 over 5 of that number? Here, they took 4 over 5 of a certain number, which we don't know. They get 20. Let's first find that number. Then we are going to find 2 over 5 of it. Direct, let's go to solution part. Let the number equal to x. Now, 4 over 5 of that certain number which we let equal to x, this is equal to 20. 4 over 5 of means multiplication, multiplied by x, this is equal to 20. So we need the value of x. We are going to multiply by 5 throughout. Multiply by 5. We're going to multiply by 5. By 5, 1. By 5 is 1. 4 multiplied by x. Get 4x, which is equal to 20 multiplied by 5. We divide by 4 both sides. By 4, 1. By 4 is 1. By 4, 1. And by 4, we get 5. 5 times 5, we get 25. So the value of x is equal to 25. The number that they multiply by 4 over 5 to get 20, it is 25. We need 2 over 5 of 25, means multiply by 25, which will be equal to, by 5 it is 1, by 5 it is 5, 2 times 5, we get 10. 2 over 5 of that number, which is 25, it is 10. Hope you understand this question. For more questions on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.